What's going on, Bam Fam? Today we are working on the Lowrider S. We are going to be relocating these gauges to the bars up here, and it's going to be nice, quick, and easy. Here is the bar clamp. It is red because I have future plans for the bike, and basically what's going to go in the gauge's place is this piece here, and this is actually going to hold my dyno jet. First thing we got to do is take off the seat. Simple enough. Next we got to take off this bolt here and these two bolts here. Alright, so you know what I just did? I had to take the cable off here, take those two cables off, and pull a little piece out. We have to get these little bad boys here, all four of those, off, and that'll release the gauges. Right. And if anybody wants to know where I got this badass piece of equipment, look how legit that is. I got it from a good old Jeremy, aka Harry Customs. Hopefully you can see that in there. You can find him on the 2020 FXLRS International Facebook page. He makes a lot of awesome stuff. He also made these block ops here for the rear turn signals, and the shims that I used in here so I could slide my forks up to the top to make it just a little bit taller. You can see I got the wire tucked here up underneath the tank beard, tank bib, whatever you want to call it. Oh, man, that looks good. All right.
All right.
So that's what it looks like. Now, keep in mind, this thing is going to get adjusted once the buckets get here. Because basically what's going to happen is the bucket replacement is going to get put about here like this, and then that's where my gauges will go. Guess what came in? Yup. The rest of the gauge relocation kit. Dude, this stuff is really well packed. Huh, look at that. It's, dang, that thing's heavy. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh! Gorilla cables. Awesome sticker. If you're buying things and it doesn't come with a sticker, you're buying from the wrong company. Just saying. Companies, send free stickers. It's what makes all of it worth it. Boom. So we got these cables here. Careful not to cut the innards. Oh yeah. Oh man. Dude, they did such a good job on the packaging. Shout out to Speed King Cycles for this packaging job. Oh God, this is sexy. Ooh, look how shiny. Oh man. I have my gauges. I personally am going to put my speedo on the left and my tack on the right. So they'll fit in about like that. Obviously make sure they're straight. Don't want anybody's OCD going wild. Okay. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on and figure it out as I go. Alright, so basically we got this bad boy pulled out a little bit. I had to push this tiny little pin right here down just far enough, but it would not go down. All right. As you can tell, these are longer. Black is to the Speedo, gray is to the tack. Okay, so this goes on in its place. Boom. Now we can shove that back in there. And then route these bad boys up where we want them. Speedo goes into place. Tack is around here somewhere. There it is. There we go. Looks good. Okay. Now that we have this mounted where we know it's going to go, and then we know that everything fits, I have to put these backing plates on it using these itty bitty screws.
Phenomenal cosmic powers!
Itty bitty living space.
Due to my windshield, I don't have room, so I have to take it back off. Nailed it. So we're going to put these 4 screws in. Okay. Completely reverse of what we just did. Stay. Okay. There we go. Gauges on. Dyno jet on. Closing thoughts on the mount. It is beautiful. It is sexy. I love it. I don't have to look down anymore to see how fast I'm going whenever a cop passes me. So, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.